Hello and welcome to week 2 of our virtual job fair 2020. This week I want to share with you a post on our job board, a job opportunity not yet on the board, and some resources available for you to help with resumes, cover letters, and interviews. So let's get started. From the front page of our website, you can go to the virtual job fair page, and on the right side of this page are some links to good resources from our 21st century skills teachers at Eastland-Fairfield. These include completing resume, cover letters, and job applications with Career One Stop, check, optimize existing resume with Job Scan, Resume Worded, and Skills Syncer, elevator pitch and interview practice with Elevator Pitch, most common job interview Q&A, and practice interviews on Ohio Means Jobs. And finally, how to dress for a job interview. So check those out when you need them. Hopefully you'll be needing them soon. So from here on our website, let's go to Alumni in Business and search the new jobs for this week. 2 jobs are posted since our last video: apprentice, craftsman, carpenter, and handyman with Ace Handyman Services, and entry-level HVAC installer. So if we take a look at the first one, the apprentice, craftsman, carpenter, handyman, this is a jack of all trades. This is a company that has 2 operations in Pickerington and I believe 1 in Westerville. So just go ahead and take a look at those job requirements, and you can contact Paul Hammer down here at the bottom to apply or with any other questions. And then go back to our page again. Paramount Air has an entry-level HVAC installer job open. Paramount is located in, it's a long post. Doesn't say on here, 7788 Central College Road, Unit C. So we'll make sure to get that added to this post so folks know. But $15 to $36 an hour full-time. They're looking for 2 full-time entry-level residential HVAC installers. You don't need field experience, but you do need to have, as we scroll down here, some of the training that we have at the Career Center. So if you are an HVAC student, either from our adult or our high school program, feel free to check that out and let Paramount know that you are interested. Bill Brown is the name of the person on this one. And so following that, there is a job that is not listed on this page yet. It will be fairly soon, just haven't put it out there yet, is Bob Hines from Himes Vending. He also owns a Catered event and Red Brick Occasions, and he's looking for 3 to 4 people for now through July, maybe longer, to work 40 hours a week, mostly weekdays and some possible Saturdays. Interested applicants must be 18 or older. The pay starts at $11 to $12 an hour. There is a, based on your work ethic and experience after 30 days, a possible raise. Hours are 7 to 3:30 with a 30-minute lunch break. Duties include assembling shelf-stable lunches for school lunch distribution. I believe this one might be with Columbus City Schools. And another project will be starting in June where 5 people will be needed to make sandwiches in the afternoon. Hours are expected to be 3 to 8 p.m., but that has not been confirmed yet. And finally, the same company is looking for a custodian to work 5 hours a day, maybe 10 to 3. So for more information on any of those opportunities, you can contact Bob Hines at bobh, B-O-B-H, at Himes, H-I-M-E-S, vending.com, or at 614-868-0025. That's all we have this week. Look forward to seeing you next week. Happy applying. Bye-bye.